Right now, many eyes on Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis for her announced indictments linked to her investigation into efforts by former President Trump and his allies to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia. This would be the president's fourth indictment since he left office, and once charges are disclosed, that'll likely put the Fulton County Courthouse in a bright national spotlight for some time. 11 Alive's Don White joins us live outside the courthouse with more on when the indictments could be known and how the legal process will likely unfold from here. Don?
Jeff, Atlanta area lawyer told me just hours ago he believes those indictments could come this week here at the Fulton County Courthouse. These would be state charges, so Trump wouldn't be able to get pardoned because that only happens in federal cases.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have.
That infamous call between then President Donald Trump and Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger happened on January 2nd, 2021. And almost 3 years later, bright barriers surround the perimeter of the Fulton County Courthouse in preparation for Trump's possible indictment for election interference in Georgia.
We've never had this happen before, so no one quite knows what's going to happen.
Attorney Darrell Cohen is a former Fulton County Assistant District Attorney and says while there's a lot we don't know, there's certain things that are likely to happen.
There are going to be Trump supporters that love him. There are going to be Trump haters that hate him. And we don't know if they're going to be together, if they're going to clash. We don't know how many people are going to turn out. So this could all be the beginning of a story that we cannot begin to understand until it unravels.
Normally, someone goes to the Fulton County Jail after an arrest, but Cohen believes that's unlikely for the former president.
I think that he will be mugshotted and fingerprinted at the Fulton County Courthouse. We have a really serious security problem.
Cohen says if Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis announces an indictment against the former president, it would be assigned to a county superior court judge.
There'll be several assistant district attorneys that will be working on this case from the beginning after the indictment until the conclusion, whether it's concluded in a trial, a verdict of guilty, a verdict of not guilty, a mistrial, whatever it is.
We heard what would be a likely defense from Trump attorney John Lauro speaking Sunday on NBC's Meet the Press.
Under the First Amendment, he had a right to petition governments around the country, state governments, based on his grievances that election irregularities had occurred.
Well said by his lawyers. I don't believe that's accurate.
Congressman Jamie Raskin served on the January 6th committee and worked for 25 years as a constitutional law professor.
His lawyers up there saying, oh, that's just a matter of him expressing his First Amendment rights. That's deranged. That is a deranged argument.
This is a legal game that's about to unfold to all of us, not only in Fulton County, but in the state of Georgia and in the United States, and actually internationally as well.
Cohen says it normally takes anywhere from 3 months to a year and a half for a case to go to trial, but he thinks in Trump's case this could take years because he does expect Trump's attorneys to postpone this until after the presidential election. Jeff?
Don White reporting for us in downtown Atlanta on this Sunday night.